Hey friends, if you wish to disable or change sounds in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's how we can change sounds. First of all, search for sound. Okay, search for system sounds and then click on change system sounds here. Now if you wish to mute all system sounds, I'm not talking about sounds from playing a video or from some third party software or from mp4 files, I mean system sounds, then simply select it at no sounds and everything goes blank. But if you want system sounds but wish to change it or mute it for certain elements, for example for exclamation, okay, then you can change it accordingly. Simply select that option here and select a different sound, okay, for exclamation. Or if you want to, let's say, mute the low battery alarm sound, then scroll up and then click on none, click on apply and then on OK, and that should be helpful. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.